Yeah, good Tuesday night. Yeah, outside. Stars, hear the crickets. Brother got me a flashlight a couple years ago for Christmas. And let me show you something. Now y'all think that's a big light? That's it in my hand. It's an old light. I don't remember which one, Warrior or something like that. But yeah, I highly recommend. Not endorsed. They don't pay me to say this. And I've had this thing. Nathan got it for me 3-4 years ago, something like that. But I got a mama cat bringing babies to the house. And if you know my wife, you know why I'm out here traipsing through. Tee. Hi, babies. Well, yeah, there's the rest of them. We're going to the house. I told her to get them a tote ready. Mama's trying to wean them, so, yeah. But yeah, that's a pretty daggone good light. Just one of the things that happens around here. 9 o'clock at night, and I'm out here fooling with these. Hope y'all have had a good week. I'll see you hopefully soon. Here they are. Mama's in here too. This Blacken's the first one she brought out. And then I went and got these 3 knuckleheads. And that's a little Scooter back here. Right here. Yeah, this one. I can never caught that little turkey. And then the black long hair tabby. And then that one, now they're in the house. Warm and safe. Because the wife sprayed something gonna get them. And yep, she got 8 more. And yeah, they're in the bathroom this time, the little bath. But that's it for tonight's excitement. Always something on this place. See you next time.